Why high-protein meals matter.
Protein is essential for building and repairing body tissues, keeping you full longer, and supporting a healthy metabolism. Whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or overall wellness, choosing protein-rich meals can make a big difference. The good news? You don't have to spend a lot to enjoy nutritious, high-protein foods that fit any lifestyle.
Budget-friendly protein sources.
These affordable protein options include eggs, beans, lentils, canned tuna, chicken thighs, cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt. These foods are widely available and offer plenty of nutrition for the price. Planning meals around them makes it easier to hit daily protein goals without spending extra money. Shop in bulk or look for sales to save even more.
Sample high-protein meal ideas.
Try these simple meals: scrambled eggs with black beans, chicken and vegetable stir-fry, tuna salad with whole grain bread, or lentil soup. Pair with leafy greens or other vegetables for a balanced plate. These dishes are quick to prepare, versatile, and can be adjusted to fit your taste preferences and dietary needs.
Tips for meal prep and saving money.
Plan ahead by prepping meals in batches and using leftovers creatively. Cook extra chicken or beans to use in salads, wraps, or soups throughout the week. Freeze portions for convenience. Buying larger quantities and choosing seasonal ingredients can also help reduce costs while keeping your meals nutritious.
Healthy living beyond protein.
Balanced nutrition is important for overall health. Combine protein with plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats for complete meals. Prioritize regular sleep, stay hydrated, and find enjoyable ways to stay active. Taking small steps with affordable, high-protein meals can support lasting, healthy habits.